with another cute, affordable hairstyle for y'all. This hair, I'm gonna have all the details in the description box below, and at the end of the video I'm gonna let you guys know the pros and cons of this hair, just give you guys the spec on this hair basically. This hair was sent to me by a company called Sam's Beauty. As I said earlier, the details will be in the description box below, so be sure to check it out if you want to buy it. I think that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is going to be on the screen throughout the entire video, so be sure to follow me on Instagram. Let's chat, let's be friends. Okay, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys. Wait, what? Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and enjoy the video. Hey guys, what's good? So this is basically what my hair looks like. I washed my hair last night and I just braided it, and then I took it out this morning, blow dried it and combed it out. So this is basically what it looks like after all that process. I usually like to stretch my hair out before I do it, just because I have 4C hair and it's just gonna be a hassle to try to braid my hair when it's in this curly state. So I just always have to stretch it out a bit. Anyways, that being said, this is basically how I'm starting off my hair. I've said that like 5 times. So I'm going to go ahead now and start doing the braiding pattern. And I know I want a middle part and a side part, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to section down the middle of my head. And mind you guys, my hair is drenched with oil. Like, I've been going through this dry scalp stage. Like, my scalp is just been dry and flaky. Like, literally last week I washed my hair, and 2 days after washing my hair, my scalp was like white. How does that even make sense? I don't understand. So I literally drenched my hair in like shea butter oil. I just warmed up the oil and put it on my scalp and on my hair. I'm just really hoping this works, because I cannot be walking around with dry scalp all day long. It's so annoying. And you guys, my hair has grown so much. Wow, I'm actually so happy with how well this hair is growing. My edges are still acting weird, but I'm grateful for what I have. Then I'm gonna take some extension, because I just want that to help me properly grip the hair, just so that it has a firm base. Alright, so this is my braiding pattern. I have 12 braids in front and 9 braids at the back. With some of the cornrows, I would just connect 2 and join it and make it 1 at the back, just so that I don't have too much braids at the back. I also have my middle part and my side part as well. Yeah, so we're going to start. This is the hair that I'm using today. This hair was sent to me by Sam's Beauty, and this is basically what the packaging looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. So this hair is by Authentic. I'm going to have all the details in the description box below. Just so you guys know, I haven't used this hair before. I've used a different hair product from them, and it was really good. So this is a different hair that I'm going to be using today. I'm actually kind of excited, because I like how the curls look. I've never used any curls that are this loose before. So this is basically how they look like straight out of the pack. As you can see, the curls are really loose. I'm low-key scared, because I didn't know they were this loose. On the model it looks like this. I guess it looks loose as well. I don't know, I just did not think they were going to be this loose, but let's see how it works. So the hair already comes kind of separated like this, but I feel like this is too thick to tie on my head, so I'm going to split this into 2. So basically what I've been doing is, when I take one strand of the hair, I would just separate the bottom. Like, I'll just detangle the bottom with my hand. This will ensure that when you separate the hair into 2, it does not tangle. And I found this out from a different YouTuber's page. Her name is Beautycanbraid. I'll have her details in the description box below so that you guys can go check her channel out. She's really good. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and now just show you guys how I've been crocheting. So for the what's it called, the side part and the middle part, I want to do the invisible method, where basically instead of dragging the two ends of the crochet through the loop, you're dragging only one end, right? But this hair is just annoying me, and it's loosening, and everything is just not as secure. So I don't even know if it's worth it to do the invisible method at this point. I'm literally having to do 4 knots. What the hell? I usually do 2 knots, but I'm doing 4 knots so that this hair can at least stay, but it's still not as secure. Like, the knots are not as secure as I would like. So that is what is annoying me right now about this hair. I'm just gonna keep going. Hopefully, like, the parting space it's looking better as I'm going, but I don't even know if I don't know if it's worth it to actually do the invisible method, because it's just going to end up loosening in like a few days. But anyway, I'm just gonna keep going. I'm not going to let anything annoy me right now because I like the curls, okay? So I'm just going to take it in, all right? And for the parting space, I'm using smaller pieces of hair just so that it ties better, but it's still not tying better. But I'm using smaller pieces of hair. So when you're doing invisible parting, what you should remember is you want to put your crochet needle opposite from the parting line, okay? So right here, I'm doing this side of the parting. So this is the parting line. I'm not going to put my crochet needle from in here. You don't want to do that. You're going to put your crochet needle from the opposite side, and that's basically right here. And then I'll just hook on the crochet hair. Then I'll take this, and you want to grab just one side of the crochet hair, and I'm making 4 knots as I said earlier. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I'll just pull this to be as tight as possible, and then you just leave it. So like that, it keeps forming and forming, and then you get the invisible part. This one is not the best. This is not the best head to show you guys how to do it. So I think I'll just have a link in my link in the description box so that you guys can check and see a different video where I showed exactly how you can do the invisible parting space. Alright, so this is basically what we have. It is long and it's big. I feel like I want to trim it, but I also feel like I want to wear it like this for a couple days before I finally trim it. But I'm going to do a little bit of trimming right now, and then I might do like the intense trimming probably sometime, I don't know. I might not even do it, but basically I'm going to just cut a little bit for now. Let me see how I feel about it. So this is what one side looks like after I trimmed it. As you can see, it's a bit shorter, but it's not that different. I don't know how to explain it. I basically try to cut layers. So right here is shorter than the end. And basically what you need to do for that is grab the hair. So I did half and half. So this is half already. Then I'm going to do the other half. And what you want to do is just wrap the hair like that. Make sure everything is kind of arranged at least. And I'm gonna go with my scissors diagonally. This is harder on this side, I'm just gonna have to go like this. So yes guys, this is basically what the hair turned out to look like. I really love the outcome, but the process of putting this hair in was not the most appealing, when I put it that way. It was so annoying. Like, this hair is one of those crochet hairs that don't just want to make a knot, right? I tried to make a knot, I tied it 4 times, I rolled it around, I tried all the methods I know how to do with crochet hair, and I've been doing crochet for like how many years now? Close to 6 years, and this hair just did not want to cooperate with me. So putting it in was annoying, but the outcome turned out really nice. Like, wow. And I really like how I trimmed it. I like put some layers in front and like just, you know, give it a kind of shape. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm talking about, because it was just like long and straight before, but I kind of like cut it diagonally, as you saw. So that's what gave it this shape. Is there anything that I don't like about this hair? Obviously the fact that it doesn't tie properly, and this is not a con because it's not really the hair, but when you're going to split the hair into 2, make sure you detangle the bottom first with your fingers. If not, it's going to tangle on you, just so you know. Aside from that, this is a beautiful hairstyle. I really like how it turned out. As I said earlier, I used basically 4 packs, okay, because I used like just a little bit out of the 5th pack, but that only happened because I had to cut off the first set of crochet that I put in because it was just annoying, okay? So basically 4 packs would be good to get this density, but if you want it bigger than this, or just to be on the safe side, get 5 packs. That's what I think. I'm gonna have all the details for this hair in the description box below, so be sure to check it out as well. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos because they're pretty informative and they're pretty nice, so please support me, okay? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment before you leave, and also follow me on Instagram. Instagram is literally where I keep you guys up to date on what's going on my YouTube channel. So if you want to know that, or you just want to follow me, guys, come on, follow me on Instagram. Look at me, I'm begging for followership. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, wow, I talk too much. I need, Jesus Christ, I need some water. Whoa, I don't think I've drank water for like 4 hours. Damn. As I was saying, what was I even saying? I think I was asking you guys to follow me. Yes, that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.